Hello viewers, Mezcal here. I heard some commotion and we've got a bit of a battle going on here. These birds are nesting in this tree and where is it? There. And the Myna birds are trying to push them out of the hole. Those Myna birds gang up and they're quite nasty. So I hope the parrots win, but they don't have the numbers, unfortunately. If I had an air rifle, I'd fix that, but I don't. And there was about 5 Myna birds gathered around. It's quite a prize of a nest to be defending, so let's hope they are able to keep it. Just me being here's made them back off a little bit, but I can't be here all day.